Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from VIVO T1 Pro 5 to an Android device. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. Remember that it has to be from this developer. Following that, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, select Not Now if you want to. Then close it by hitting OK. Nextly, select Send at the bottom left corner of VIVO and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, click on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to VIVO device. You can use all of those categories available at the top to select files that you wish to transfer. You can choose multiple ones or just only click on the couple of them. In my case, those two pictures. Wherever you decide, when you finished, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick one of those connection ways. If you want to connect thanks to this QR code, select this scanning icon next to Input key above User Guide on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up. And last but not least, just point your Android's camera at the code and wait. If you prefer to input this key though, tap on Input key section instead. Type in all of those numbers in correct order in this amount of time, so we have a lot. And tap on Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my pictures were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!